What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube not working on your phone and how to update your YouTube. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do, just hold on YouTube icon like me and you will see this, and go here on info and you will be redirected to your info app. In this case, go in this first section, you will see privacy, click this and make sure this is all checked like me. When you do that, go back, go on permissions, this two section, and do this all permission like me. Click this on media and check this first. Do the same to camera and do the same to all this thing, microphone, contacts, location and phone. When you do this, go back, scroll down to storage. Open storage, you will see right here delete cache memory. Click this and you have left here clear data. You do this only if you want and if you need it. Go back, scroll down and you will see app details in store. Click this. And if you have new update, you will see right here update. I don't have new update, I just have deinstall and open. When I click open, my app is so fast and my app works. And that's it all guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.